Hi, I'm John Hinchy, a consultant with Logan Consulting, and in today's video, I'm going to give you a brief preview of the new unified interface in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales. Within the Microsoft Dynamics 365 homepage, Microsoft has segmented the ways to enter the system through a multiple display of tiles. Traditionally, you had your original Dynamics logo here, which would allow you into different tenants and different areas set up. Now, Microsoft has made hubs, which are similar to the unified interface. They're a different name where they really call them an app. Here you can see the Customer Service Hub and also the Sales Hub. This really allows you into one area of Dynamics to focus on a certain piece so different users can go to where they need to go. I'm going to go into the Sales Hub, which displays the Microsoft Unified Interface. Now from here, visually it looks a little different. Everything is left to right instead of from the top going forward. So from here, what I want you to notice is it starts with dashboards, it goes down to activities, to accounts, to contacts, to leads. But I want you to notice how fast this goes. Microsoft has rewired the coding to allow for a more efficient switch between screens. This is the one biggest thing that Microsoft has done to Dynamics 365 in years, and many people are very excited about it. From here, you can see how quickly we can open different screens and switch back and forth. It's almost instantaneous. So I'm going to open an account and show you that from the top left to right are all the tabs section where it used to be a scroll down. Now, each tab is listed as a column to click on to move back and forth. This allows long scrolling and people getting lost on the page, and a quick way to move back and forth. You can see the related is right here. And from here you can quickly get to things like activities. You can add a new activity, pop a phone call. And this is much quicker than before, where you had to go through the associated view in the background. So I'm going to cancel here. Mind you, this can all be customized in the same way that Dynamics 365 can be customized through the actual customization pane. It allows you what to customize, and it'll show up here. So if we go to our dashboards, you can see that the Relationship Assistant is already built in here. Microsoft is trying to push this and adding new features to it. It already has a feature for Dynamics 365 AI. This is going to be much more in the future. And as we go down, we can see our orders. We can customize this screen to show what you need to show, but it really does follow the logical step of activities, accounts, contacts, leads, and then opportunities. For all of your Dynamics consulting needs, please visit our website at loganconsulting.com. Email us at info@loganconsulting.com or call us at 312-345-8800.